All right, I've been testing the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the upcoming Z Fold 8. And honestly, this is a wild comparison. The S26 Ultra feels like Samsung's no-compromise slab phone with insane battery life, a sharper camera system, and that classic ultra-wide usability. Now the Z Fold 7 is already the productivity king, but you do notice the crease less, and the multitasking is smoother than ever. But the Z Fold 8, if the leaks are right, pushes things further with a lighter hinge, better durability, and almost tablet-like inner display optimization. Here's the thing. The Ultra is for power users who want a phone, while the Fold lineup is clearly moving toward replacing your tablet. If I had to pick today, I'd still go Ultra for reliability, but the Fold 8 looks like the real future. Either way, Samsung is basically competing with itself now.